plant-based, gut health, permadome, kombucha, workshop. These were all the things that took place at the CnC Deli right here in Centurion. Patrons were treated to a variety of fermented food tastings, as well as information on how to produce and grow food in a safe and healthy environment. The day started off with lectures on fermented foods and drink, with a detailed presentation on permadome structures, allowing for patrons to ask questions and interact with the speakers. And by the end of it all, there was a deliciously light lunch served, coming straight from the kitchen of the CnC plant-based deli. We'll see you at the next one.